Good morning everyone. I am Simpy. All of you are welcome to EBS class. Let's have a quick recap. In the previous class, we learnt about the deserts of different states of India. We participated in blockbuster activity. I gave you the link of this activity. Have you done the practice of this one? Right? It's good. We learned the meaning of the hard words of chapter 3. I gave you assignment, learn the hard words of chapter 3. Have you learned? Yes, it's good. Now begin the session. Now, can I ask some questions to you? Yes, let's start. Jumbled word vocabulary worksheet. The letters of the words below are jumbled. Figure out what the word is and write it on the blank line provided. First question. Letters are here HALEYHT. Hint is given here in a good physical or mental condition. What word is it? What is the correct word? Correct word is healthy, right? Now come on the next question. Letters are here CSIUNIES. Hint is given here style of preparing food. What word is it? What is the correct word? Correct word is cuisines. Right? Now come on the next question. Question number 3. NTUIRNET. Hint is given here a substance that is essential for the maintenance of life. What is the correct word? What word is it? Nutrient. Right? Now come on the next question. Question number 4. CREAEL. Hint is given here grain used for food. What word is it? Cereal. Right? Now come on the next question. Question number 5. FAVLUOR. Hint is given here taste of a food or drink. What word is it? Flavor. Right? Next question. EIBDEL. Hint is given here suitable for eating. What word is it? Edible. Right? Now come on the next question. Question number 7. ALIPAPCNSA. Hint is given here designed to perform a specific task. What word is it? What is the correct word? Correct word is appliances, right? Now come on the next question. DGISEETD. Hint is given here breakdown food. What word is it? What is the correct word? Digested. Now come on the next question. Question number 9. SUETNLIS. Hint is given here used in the kitchen. What word is it? Utensils, right? Now come on the next question. Question number 10. Last but not the least. AWR. Hint is given here not cooked. What word is it? What is the correct word? RAW. Right? Now we have done this one. This is very useful for you to learn the meaning of the hard words, to learn the spelling of the hard words, right? Do you like to eat sandwich in the breakfast? It's very healthy breakfast. Now we will learn that how to make a sandwich. What ingredients are required to make a sandwich? 4 slices of bread, vegetable slices, cucumber, tomato and onion, ketchup, salt, pepper, cheese slices. Now see, how can we make a sandwich? How do we make a sandwich? First, spread ketchup, cheese all the way to the edges of each slice of bread. Then pack high moisture ingredients, tomatoes, cucumbers and onions. Spread salt and pepper separately. Now sandwich is ready. You can eat sandwich now. But you have to remember that you have to add these things to the sandwich when you are ready to eat. Now you have to make this sandwich in your houses and you have to share with me that how is it, right? Now all of you turn page number 24. We will do the exercise of this chapter. Match the columns. Images are given here and you have to match them. First one, all of you look at this. What method of cooking is used to cook the momos? Answer is steamed. We use steamed method to cook, to make momos, right? Second one, pakora. We use fried method. What method of cooking is used to make biscuit? Baked. What method of cooking is used to cook rice? We use boiling method to cook rice. So match with it, boiled, right? All of you have done this one? Now we will discuss the question answers of this chapter. Answer these questions. First question, question number 1. Why is food important for our body? Why do we eat food? What is the importance of food? You have to write this one in this answer. Food is important for our body because it gives us energy and nutrients and helps us to stay fit and healthy, right? Question number 2. Define cooking. Cooking is the process in which raw food is converted into edible items. After cooking the food, we can eat food. Question number 3. Name any 3 utensils used in cooking. 3 names are written here: griddle, pressure cooker, frying pan. So many utensils are used in the kitchen for cooking. Question number 4. Define frying and its 2 types. Frying is a method of cooking in which food is cooked in the hot oil, right? Frying is of 2 types: shallow frying and deep frying. Question number 5. Define cuisines by giving examples. A cuisine is a style of cooking that is found in a specific region, state or country. Indian cuisine, biryani, idli, etc. Chinese cuisine, noodles, fried rice, etc. Italian cuisine, pasta, pizza, etc. Right? Now all of you have to write down the answers of these questions in your notebook. Take out your notebook and write down CW, date of today, chapter number 3, title of the chapter, the food story, then write heading, answer these questions, write down the first question and then write answer. Pause the video and write answer. Question number 2, write answer. Question number 3, write answer. Question number 4, write answer. Question number 5, write answer. All of you have to do this one in your notebooks, right? Today we have completed all the topics of this chapter, exercise, question answers of this chapter. We performed in various activities. This is your knowledge chart. In this chart, you have to write down the class name, class third, lesson number, title of the lesson, and then write down I know that, whatever you know related to this chapter. In the second column, I learned that, whatever you have learned in this chapter. You have to do this one in your notebook, right? See, this activity is given in your book. Making a sandwich, bring 4 slices of bread, vegetable slices, cucumber, tomato and onion, ketchup, salt, pepper and cheese slices to school. Make a sandwich with your friends using these ingredients. You have to do this one in your houses. You have to make a sandwich in your houses. Today we have learned that how to make a sandwich, right? And there's one announcement for you that I'll take your assessment on Friday in the next class. You have to ready for that one. Assessment will be on Friday, right? Of chapter 3. You have to revise this chapter properly. Watch all the videos of this chapter properly. Read the chapter, learn the exercise, question answers and be ready for the assessment. Best of luck for that one. Now it's time to wrap up the session. See you in the next class. Thank you.